Hello, this is Jan Patrick, and I am a message from the Gangnam Style fans. I'm just sorry for I'm gonna say it, but I'm scared because I hear it in our TV that Gangnam Style I'm not sure if it have a connection for, for to the doomsday. And I'm so scared. And I don't know if the Gangnam Style reach 1 million views, are we gonna end of the world? So I'm scared. So sorry for I'm saying for the Gangnam Style fans. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe. So, sorry.